money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? So D back with another one. And today I got something that I just want to share with y'all, just in case y'all didn't know. I'm just cruising around looking for some accessories for the Switch and found this. BINBOK Joy-Con controllers. So, what these do different, these are made for people with big hands and doesn't like that uncomfortable Joy-Con grip. But the thing that attracted me to this was actually the fact that it lights up, that it has rumble. And not like my other Joy-Con controllers that I have I forgot the name of these. But, yeah, these don't have no rumble or anything. So, to upgrade from that, hopefully these are good. So, taking it out. Yeah, this thing is huge. Got the cable here to charge it, USB-C, thank you. We got some instructions, some instructors. Let me see. Sweet. Sweet. All right. And what's this? A little free dock right here. Hook that up later. All right, so right here at the bottom has two USB-Cs. Okay, that's kind of confusing. All right. Okay. But it does feel massive in the hand. No joking. It is wireless. So you can use like a regular Joy-Con. So you still have the buttons up here to press. Not like these controllers here. See, they faked it. There's nothing there you can press. And you can't press that button either. So it made it seem like it was something there, but they didn't. And there's the sides next to each other. So yeah, there's the back. Got the buttons. You have other buttons here, M and T. Don't know what those are for right now. And you have the Z buttons. And at the bottom here, you have the USB-C. So I'm guessing that is for charging. Not 100% sure. I would think that they would have put the charge on here, which would have made more sense. That's weird, but okay. These buttons work here. Let's see something. So, yeah, D-pad doesn't feel good at all. Yeah, it sucks. Oh man, might have to send this thing back. Well, we'll see. We didn't plug it up yet, so we'll see. Alright, but yeah, if these had rumble, I mean, I probably would just be happy with that. I wouldn't even need anything else. I definitely love the way these feel. And again, I'm looking at the sizing on it, like, I definitely like these. And they have some new colors too that came out. They have red and blue. So, I don't know. I was thinking about buying those, but then I was like, what's the point? It doesn't have rumble. But anyway, let's get to this. This is what we're here for, right? This is what the show's for, right? Alright, so let's plug this thing on up here. Bow. Bow. Let's get it started. So it's lighting up. Ooh, got the blue. Now I ain't gonna front, it feels good so far. Feels good, alright? User ready in the game. Let's see what's up. Let's play a game real quick. See how it feels. Need for Speed. I'm waiting for that Monster Hunter to come out. Kind of thirsty. Need some new games. There's a drought out here, man. It's slow. It's slow. It's real slow. Coming home, just playing Division. It's getting a little corny now, you know. To be honest. Let's get it. Let's see how this thing goes.
Exercise, but you will be evaluated as if this was a live situation.
Yeah. Nah, I ain't gonna front. I'm feeling this. I like the vibration. I miss vibration, I'll be honest with you. Woo, collision. Yeah, the drifting is good. Damn, bro, that was my fault. Sorry, man. You know what I mean? NYC cops, man. Yeah, the grip feels real good for my hands. I have big hands, man, as you know, as you can see. Follow my channel. You know, all you see mainly is my hands. You know what I mean? But, yeah, I'm liking this. I like the way it feels. I am concerned about the D-pad though, because when I play like, you know, Streets of Rage or something like that, I don't know how it's gonna feel, how the D-pad is gonna work, or if it's even adequate. But I'm gonna try that out in a minute. Made it. Alright. All the buttons seem to work. Now let's play. Let me save this real quick. I'm gonna try another game. Give me a minute. Alright, I'm back with another game. It's time to play some Mortal Kombat. This is all into testing the buttons. So I'm playing with oh man, press the wrong button. Freaking Nintendo, man. Alright, Robocop. Let's see how this D-pad feels. Okay, Conwell. Get up, bruh. So D-pad feels fine. I was a little bit concerned with it. It does feel a little flimsy, but maybe I should play a more D-pad intense game. But so far this feels fine. I don't know any moves with this dude. There you go. Wow. There you go. You know what I mean? Street Fighter, you know, old school dudes, you know, one of those buttons gotta work. One of them commands. Oh, bro, you gonna keep throwing me like that? Love the rumble on there. It's not as good as the original Joy-Cons, but they still good enough. Refreshing to have. It's been a while since I had rumble. Okay, so let's try another game. All right, Street Fighter Turbo. Okay. Messing up my fireball trick. Okay. And try it again. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I see now where the problem is with the D-pad. It's not hitting the way it's supposed to. Yeah, it is kind of a little problem. So this is not gonna work for like professional gaming if you trying to, you know, play against other people. I mean, you can get good at it, I'm pretty sure. You know what I mean? Anybody can get good at anything. I'm a firm believer of. But yeah, it feels just a little bit off. Yeah, like, yeah, it's sucking in. Did y'all see that? Let me see. Yeah, see, you can hear it sucking in. And then even when you press all the buttons together, look, the whole D-pad goes in. Yeah. So the D-pad is not meant for fighting games. Yeah, this is not gonna, you ain't gonna get a good run out of this. No fighting games. It sucks. Overall though, I'll be honest with you, I'm gonna keep it. The D-pad sucks, but anytime I play any type of fighting games or anything like that, I'll probably just mix and match. Like, for instance, I'm pretty sure I can mix and match it right now. Let me see. That is a pretty dope thing about the Switch. So being able to mix and match, even though I don't have the rumble. Yeah, way better. Haven't played in a while. You know what I mean? Pretty suck right now, but I just want to use Ryu actually just for the fireballs, because you know his fireball, the weird commands to throw it, and then the you can. She ain't give me a chance to do nothing, boy. Yo, Cammy's a beast, man. She just kept hitting me. Alright, let's try it one more time. Just, you know what I mean? And for science, man. All right. Yeah, this D-pad is way better. You know what I mean, hands down. I can feel it already, even with the commands. Yeah, see, pulling that stuff off is just like so easy now. Playing through the camera. Yeah, she recovered quick. Cammy's a beast, boy. Nice little shouty. Yeah, D-pad is better. This D-pad is not good, but when I was playing the driving game, yeah. And playing Mortal Kombat, because Mortal Kombat is a little bit slower, but you know, if you're trying to pull off those amazing combos, this D-pad is not going to help you. I already see that. So I mean, I do have options. I do like it for playing that game though, playing the racing game, and I'm pretty sure shooters is gonna feel pretty fine. You know what I mean? Because you're not doing anything with the D-pad. I think any game that has anything to do with the D-pad as far as movement and button commands and stuff like that, it might have a problem. But if your D-pad is more for like a utility or an option or something like that, you'll be absolutely fine. Yeah, I think when they designed it, they thought the same thing. I don't really think they was thinking about the D-pad for any of the indie games and stuff like that, which is gonna suck when you use you know, NES or something like that. You're having a smushy D-pad, it's gonna cause a problem. So definitely, if you buy this, just know that this is a controller for big hands and for shooters, racing games, stuff like that. But if you need something that has better D-pad, no rumble, good analogs and stuff like that, then this, I believe this is a Hori, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is. It's right there. It's a Hori. But I have a video on that, so you know what I mean, you can check that out too. And yeah, if you have any questions, hit your boy up, just let me know. I'm, you know, trying my best with the little bit of time I got. Alright? So I'll holler at y'all later, man. Easy.